Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to Sir Muhammad Safiq bin Anur. Today I would like to present the different proposal regarding my title research, the relationship between playing style, ball position and the outcome of match among teams during AFC Champions League 2015 knockout round. Without any further ado, let's take a look of the background of the study. Okay, now let's take a look for the background of the study. Okay, football is innovation game, which is the game split into two divisions, whereby there are different principles of play and tactic by coach of the team. As in the slide said that pattern play is a term used frequently by the coach, performance analysis and media in order to refer the pattern of play of the team, and it means the coach prepare and plan for the tactic of the team, then the athlete and player will perform that tactical that the coach have been set up for them, and by Harrit and Graham and Norton 2016 define game plan as all the preparation principle of play or action rules before the match and to coordinate the operation of the team. And as been mentioned at the slide presentation, possession of ball during competition is correlated in good performance, meaning that the ball possession are correlated with the tactical of the team. Okay, so for my research study, I would like to identify the IV and DV, which is independent variables, and my dependent variable. For my IV, I want to manipulate the ball position and the playing style, and also for the DV, the dependent variable that I want to be measured, is outcome of the match. And previous reported that 15 goals come from possession won, and 58% goals scored from possession earned in the opposing first half line by Hughes and Krejcil 2015. It means that the key indicator for the team success is ball possession. Okay, next we continue to the statement of the problem. Okay, for the first problem is every football teams was looking for the result, either they won or lose in the match. So from the match analysis, the coach can identify the team win or lose. For the second problem is it seems tactical and technical associated with the effect of ball possession in the outcome of football match, meaning that the ball possession correlated with the outcome of the match. For the evidence, the team that has more frequent ball possession will have a big chance to win the match, while other side that has lesser number of shot and passing will have a low percentage to win the game. And there is no evidence that state effect of position of ball in tactical metrics in playing position. And Lago and Martin 2007 cited that the most technical key indicator in soccer is ball position due to the strong of success in ball position. Okay, let's continue to the research objective. For the first objective is to determine the association between playing style and the outcome of the match during AFC Champions League 2015 knockout round. And for the second objective is to identify the relationship ball position between winning and losing team in the AFC Champions League 2015. Okay, now we continue to the significance of the study. So this will give the beneficial for the coach and also the players, football club, and also performance analysis. And for the significance of the study, it will provide objective information and also a guideline to athlete and coach for helping them understand the better game plan. And also it can enhance technical and tactical knowledge and decision making during tournament, meaning that the coach have a better plan, and then their players are doing the jobs and works within the tactical that the course have been set up. For the literature review, as been mentioned in the slide, there are several key indicators in football. So for the first one is type of passes by Robert Rinn 2017, developing the passing are the key of successful outcome of the match, meaning that team that have a good passing and ball possession have a better result in the match. And for the ball possession in football, the ability to maintain a ball possession for a long time enable for the team to have the favorable outcome of the match by the Hook and Hughes 2001. And for the playing style is a style of play are the tactical behavior that soccer team employ in competition. This is cited by Hewitt Greenham and also Houghton 2016, meaning that playing style which mean occurs like attacking play, defending play, and also they have direct play in the match. For the next, for the game situation is deciding on effective team strategy, and tactical is a fundamental to successful performance by the Carling and Williams 2005, meaning that a game situation is the action during the tournament and also during the match. And lastly, the key indicator is total distance cover, meaning that the players match running performance, meaning that how frequently the athlete or player cover the possession in the match. Okay, let's continue to the research methodology. They will cover on research design, data collection, and also instrumentation. for the research design, this is a descriptive research, and it determine on the relationship within the variables, and also this research will be used the correlational design, and it because of to align the research objective is to determine the relationship in terms of ball position and also the playing style through the outcome of the match. Okay, now let's look the sampling technique. Okay, for this research, it will use purposive sampling technique because of a target population already known. The target population of this research is the AFC Champions League 2015 teams already known, and this there are 19 complete match video without any highlight have been secured for the sampling technique. And for the inclusion of criteria video selected is 90-minute complete video and without any interruption advertisement, because of we want to have a valid data for the video. And also for the exclusion of video is blurry video and also edited video match, because if they have a blurry video, we cannot analyze the data for the valid data. Okay, now we will continue to the instrumentation. We will use the notational analysis, test-retest method, and also intra-observer reliability. For the notational analysis, we'll construct field grid and various code to the marking area to track the action of the player. And for the test-retest method, we will use for the twice matches, we will use for the video match to watch twice to check the reliability. And also for the intra-observer reliability, we will use a percentage error for the indicator of reliability. Okay, as you can see in the slide presentation, there's a figure of the scatter diagram and also frequency table. For the scatter diagram, you can see that they have been divided into 18 zone for track athlete passing and also crosser. And for the frequency table, we will use how frequent the ball goes to the zone. This is a data collection procedure. For the firstly, we need to search the video in the online sources, and then we will download the video match, and then we will transfer to the Longo Match software. Longo Match software is the match analysis software, and then we will collect the data to analyze using statistical software. And lastly, the result will be compiled and analyze it. Okay, now let's continue to the data analysis. So the data analysis will align with the research objective. So as we mentioned before, for the first objective is to determine the playing style and the outcome of the match. So we will analyze by using the descriptive statistic. And for the second objective is the identify the ball position and the outcome of the match, which is will be analyzed using inferential statistic which is independent t-test. Last but not least, this is a reference for my research, and you can see on the slide presentation. I think that's all from me. Thank you.